Alright, here's how I got the cam shaft out on a 2021 CRF. Yeah, 2021 CRF110. So what I did was I took a 13 millimeter and then the bolt that goes into the cam. And it went like this right here. I screwed it all the way in with my hand. And it's pretty stuck in there. I loosened up these two tappets right here, one in the intake and then the exhaust. And then what I did was, is I got me one of these little tools right here. There's something to pry. And I stuck it under here, like this. And then I hit it with a hammer right here. And I said boom, 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 boom. And then eventually a couple hard hits and it came out. So that's how I did it. I couldn't find nothing on YouTube to help me out on that. So